Sketching walls. The first step in creating a design in SoftPlan is to place the exterior walls. Precision is not required at this point, as the focus is to quickly sketch the rough shape of the floor plan. The Auto Dimension feature will place all of the necessary external extensions and dimensions. As the walls are drawn on the floor plan, they are automatically generated in the 3D model and added to the live SoftList materials report. After the dimension lines have been placed, they are edited to the desired values. This way, an accurate floor plan can be created in a matter of minutes. By simply right-clicking the dimension line, the dimension can be selected for editing. In the Edit menu, a new dimension value is entered and the side of the line from which to adjust the difference in value is selected. Opening a new vertical tab group allows the 2D plan and the 3D model to be viewed concurrently. As with exterior walls, interior walls can be drawn in 2D or 3D. Select the wall type and then reference the drawing grid and tape measure to draw the interior walls. Commands like Draw Select and Move can be used to quickly add and position walls as necessary to finish the layout. With both the interior and exterior walls now complete, placement of windows and doors is next. Drawing openings. Openings such as windows and doors can be selected from predefined symbol libraries, including vast collections of manufacturer openings, and are completely customizable by the user. Items added to the 2D plan will also be added to the 3D model and vice versa. The ability to quickly visualize changes made to the floor plan in detailed 3D is very helpful throughout the design process. Unit openings are two or more individual openings that are joined together to make a single opening. For example, drawing 3 windows side by side will form a unit opening. If drawing windows in 3D, one simple click of the mouse indicates the central position of the window. Items such as soldier coursing, trim, and shutters can be added to an opening after it is drawn using SoftPlan's powerful editing features. As with Windows, SoftPlan ships with a large library of standard and manufacturer door symbols. A wide selection of garage doors, exterior doors, and interior doors are available. SoftPlan's intuitive cursor control makes specifying the hinge side and swing direction of interior doors an easy, fluid motion. Whether working in 2D or 3D, the process of drawing windows and doors in SoftPlan is fast and simple. As items are added, modified, or removed from the drawings and 3D model, SoftPlan's material estimator SoftList is updating and organizing a materials list with quantities, cost estimations, and labor and markup calculations. Editing openings. Openings and other symbols can be quickly modified using a wide array of customizable settings. Elevation views of the model can be generated and further modified in model mode, or detailed with notes and other informative items in annotated mode. Before editing the openings, a new height will be set for the walls. After selecting the window for edit, many window options can be altered to make the window specifically tailored to meet the customer's needs. Exterior trim can be assigned using soldier coursing, rollick, or other trim options. From the profile libraries, an exterior trim profile symbol can be selected, which will greatly enhance the look of the 3D model. Extensive profile libraries offer many attractive profile symbols to choose from. Additionally, items such as shutters and grills can be quickly added to the window. The Repeat Edit command allows these same changes to be made rapidly to the other windows on the model. By editing a door, a transom can be quickly added and assigned a height. Using these various editing tools, all the openings in a project can be quickly customized to meet user preferences. Kitchen layout. Once the exterior is complete, the interior work begins. With SoftPlan's cabinet configuration tools, a fully customized kitchen layout can be created in minutes. The Configure Cabinet menu provides many options for customizing a cabinet's shape, dimensions, and face layout. After selecting the cabinet to be used, SoftPlan's Snap functionality makes it easy to position it on the wall so that a click of the mouse adds it to the 3D model. Now the next base cabinet can be configured and added to the model to the left of the first. SoftPlan's Auto Cabinet feature automatically combines the two cabinets into a single cabinet run. Kitchen appliance symbols can be added to further define the kitchen layout. Choose from generic appliance symbols or select one of the many manufacturer's symbols. These appliance symbols are dimensionally accurate and will aid in the placement of cabinets. For example, a refrigerator symbol from one of the manufacturer appliance libraries can be placed at the end of the cabinet run. Like cabinets, symbols snap to walls for easy placement. Using SoftPlan's cabinet configuration, the remaining base cabinets can be added to create the basic kitchen layout. From the Edit menu, cabinets can be customized to exact specifications. Cabinets can even be replaced with appliance symbols like a range. The combination of base cabinets in the center of the kitchen area creates an attractive kitchen island. Using the Dimension command, dimension lines are drawn and then edited to accurately set the position of the kitchen island. A sink can be quickly added by simply clicking a button and selecting the desired symbol to insert. SoftPlan has configured the options of the sink symbol to stack on top of the cabinet and automatically cut the countertop to allow for the sink. A tap can be added in this same way. With a quick edit, the next cabinet can be quickly replaced with a dishwasher symbol. Next, end panels using a specific face layout can be added. Wall cabinets, shelving, and additional appliance symbols, such as a range hood, can be quickly added to complete a beautiful, fully customized kitchen layout. Stairs and second floor. At this stage, the second floor plan can be created. First, stairs will need to be added to connect the two floors. As with most drawing items, SoftPlan is preloaded with multiple libraries of stair symbols which can be inserted into the drawing and then modified to suit the design. For this design, a fold-back stair will be added. Once inserted, the stair can then be edited to enter the desired stair rise and other size requirements as needed. Railings and other stair options, such as a ceiling board, can be added in this menu as well. Next, a stair brake can be added. The quickest way to create the second floor plan is to use the Auto Floor Above command. Using the customizable auto floor options and other information from the main floor, this command automatically generates a second floor drawing and adds it to the project. Once generated, the second floor plan displays the stairs from the main floor. The removal of the garage created a large gap. The simplest way to have two walls form a corner is to use the fillet command. Any remaining walls and openings that do not belong on the second floor can be removed at this time. The interior walls can now be drawn and dimensioned to create the second floor rooms. Returning to the main floor drawing, the stair lines after the stair brake can be hidden by editing the stair and enabling the Hide Lines option. The Sync Model Zoom command allows for the second floor dimensions to be checked against the main floor plan for accuracy. Examine the elevation views and 3D model to review the appearance of the second floor. Bathroom layout. The next step in the design is to add the bathroom fixtures and cabinets. First, a tub can be added from a library of Kohler bathroom symbols. The symbol preview aids in placement of the tub, and then, with a single click of the mouse, it snaps to the wall. A toilet symbol can be added in the same way. To create the shower, select a glass shower wall from the Wall Type menu and then add the walls to the bathroom layout. Next, a shower door can be added. As with the kitchen layout, SoftPlan's cabinet system makes it easy to customize the look of the cabinetry to create an attractive bathroom vanity. Adding two base cabinets side by side creates a cabinet run that can then be further customized through the Edit menu. SoftPlan provides options for modifying the individual cabinets as well as the entire cabinet run. Sink and faucet symbols can be quickly added to the countertops of each cabinet. Plumbing fixtures such as sinks and faucets will stack on top of the countertop. Next, mirrors can be added above the sinks. Using these simple methods, the remaining bathrooms can be quickly designed throughout the project. As a room is created in SoftPlan, the 3D model guides design decisions by providing instant feedback on the room's layout and the appearance of symbols and other interior details. Auto Basement. The Auto Basement command automatically creates a foundation plan using the dimensions of the main floor. Simply enter the wall types and heights to create a new basement drawing that is automatically added to the model stack below the main floor plan. With the basement plan in the model stack, it generates in the 3D model and updates the materials list. A few steps will have to take place to complete the basement plan. First, structural elements such as beams and posts can be added and dimensioned. Beams can be drawn and dimensioned in the same way as walls. The snap function makes it easy to place posts along the beam. Additionally, posts can be automatically adjusted to fit to beams through the Edit menu. Using the Extension and Dimension commands, the posts can then be precisely placed with a few quick edits. Next, the Diagonal Square command can be used to add a diagonal dimension line from one corner of the foundation to the opposite corner. The Auto Basement command makes it easy to generate and detail the foundation plan of any project. Floor joists. Now that the outlines for the main floor, second floor, and foundation plans are complete, the floor framing can be added. By viewing the drawing in Floor System mode, only essential information such as walls, stairs, openings, and plumbing drops are visible in the plan. Before adding the floor system, the default floor framing settings for the project can be specified in the Floor System options. Currently, an overlay of the basement plan displays the structural beams and posts from the floor below. The floor system can be drawn including all floor system components or in a combination of joists, ring joists, sill plates, and the subfloor. As framing members are added to the floor system plan, the material report updates to list those items and their estimated costs in real time. Profile mode provides visual help for setting wall heights and offsets accurately. Using the Set Wall Tops command, the 10-foot height of the house walls will be applied to the garage walls. By editing the main floor stair in drawing mode, the Create Framed Hole option can be used to cut a hole in the floor system of the second floor at the top of the stairs. SoftPlan provides options for viewing 3D representations of the house framing in the navigation window. Using the camera controls, the 3D framing model can be checked for accuracy. Roof. With the floor plans complete and floor systems added, the roof can now be placed. By selecting Roof Mode, only essential items such as load-bearing walls and openings will be visible. This eliminates visual clutter caused by unnecessary items. Remember, the visibility of items on the plan is fully customizable like nearly all features in SoftPlan. In the Roof Options menu, default roof properties such as pitch, overhang, and heel height can be specified. SoftPlan's Auto Roof command automatically constructs a hip roof over the main portion of the floor plan. Once the roof is added, roof properties can be modified to create the desired roof design. In this example, a roof edge is edited and the style of the roof plane is changed from hip to gable. The Repeat Edit command allows other roof edges to be quickly converted into gables. All of these actions can be completed in 2D or 3D, depending on design preference. Another way to quickly change a roof edge to a gable edge is using the Apply Gable command. Next, a garage roof will be added using the Trace Roof command. This action applies a hip roof based on the perimeter of the area traced. A combination of SoftPlan's roof tools allows both simple and complex roof designs to be completed with speed and ease. Using the 3D model and the various elevation views, the roof can be examined and modified until the desired design is achieved. SoftList. The SoftList material estimator uses the information stored in SoftPlan floor plans to automatically generate materials lists, cut list reports, cost estimates, and other detailed reports that include information such as labor and markup. While drawing the floor plans for a project, SoftList updates the material report in real time. This report is fully tailored to the needs of the user. It works much like a spreadsheet in that it allows for the insertion of new values and will recalculate the final totals. From the listing of quantities to markup and labor factors, SoftList is thorough and accurate in its results. With the addition of materials to the project, SoftList updates the total project cost, which can be checked as often as needed. From a completely detailed report to a per floor count, SoftList allows for complete flexibility to best meet the needs of the estimator. Energy codes and trade contractors reports can be generated as well. Using the Find bar, any material can be quickly located within the report. Materials from the list can even be highlighted on the floor plan. This allows for verification of which items on the drawing contribute to a particular material. The highlighted items appear in yellow on the floor plan drawing. Reports can be quickly exported to QuickBooks and most major accounting packages. Interior decor. While designing the interior layout of the house, furniture, appliances, and other decor symbols can be added to create attractive 3D spaces within the model. SoftPlan provides layers that can be used to control item visibility. If a layer's visibility is turned off, the items added to that layer will not appear on the plan. Items added to all layers will appear in the 3D model. Using this tool, a layer can be created for furniture symbols. Many styles of sofas, rugs, and chairs exist in the libraries that come supplied with SoftPlan. The thousands of symbols that come shipped with SoftPlan ensure that everyone can create gorgeous 3D models that suit the most unique of tastes. To view a specific room in 3D, use the Go to Room feature. Notice the realistic play of light, shadows, and reflections. SoftPlan offers state-of-the-art graphics capabilities. The inclusion of furniture creates an eye-catching home setting that enhances walkthrough tours of the model. Using the Go to Room command, each room of the project can be closely examined in stunning 3D. Along with elevations and cross-sections, fully furnished 3D models greatly contribute to the overall 3D presentation needed to sell designs and keep clients satisfied. (3D). SoftPlan includes many options for enhancing the appearance of the 3D model. Detailed site plans can be created and added to the model stack. Having the site plan in the model stacks generates beautiful, realistic environments that can accurately represent the property in 3D. The Visible Floors menu allows certain floors to be hidden from the model without the need to remove the corresponding drawings from the model stack. For example, the site plan can be hidden so that only the house is displayed in the 3D model. Using the 3D Mode menu, it is easy to quickly switch into a different 3D aesthetic. These modes range from displaying the model as simple lines to more artistic presentations. The Shaded view casts shadows and applies colored surfaces. These surfaces can be edited and new display colors can be assigned. Sketched mode provides a hand-drawn appearance and sketched outline of the plan to replicate the look of an artist's hand rendering. Each 3D mode has its own set of mode options that can be modified to affect the appearance of the 3D model. In the Line options, there are various settings for customizing the appearance of lines in sketched mode. Other options that specify properties such as the model's lighting, background, and surface face settings can be set for each 3D mode in this way. Next, the Illustrated view provides a pen and ink look using sketched lines and speckled textures. Selecting Clay Model mode generates a monochrome image that resembles a model built from clay. Watercolor mode mimics an artist's by-hand watercolor rendering. The textured and ray traced modes yield highly detailed, lifelike models. Among the many options for adding realistic details to the 3D model, SoftPlan also offers a menu of sun options for specifying the time zone, date, and time of day to view the 3D model. Setting this information will affect the lighting and shadows based on the sun's position. Quick animations of the 3D model can be generated with a click of the mouse. For example, a full-day sun study of the specific day set in the sun options can be performed on screen. Another quick animation type displays the camera rotating around the focus. SoftPlan also includes the ability to create custom walkthrough animations. Interactive 360-degree photos of the model can be created and then published directly to Facebook or a web page. SoftPlan also offers the ability to publish fully navigable 3D models to the web. Once published, SoftPlan creates a link to the project that can be shared with anyone. SoftPlan Web 3D allows clients to explore the interiors and exteriors of 3D models using easy-to-understand camera controls and navigation commands. These animations of the 3D model are easy to create, modify, and export to video files. It is no wonder why SoftPlan has become the CAD package of choice for thousands of builders, designers, remodelers, architects, and interior designers. SoftPlan is the most complete and versatile CAD package in the industry.